sun is starting to get into a bad spot, but I gotta work with it today. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a natural soap. I have a nice line of 100% natural soaps, and I've been transitioning them over into goat's milk soaps. And the goat's milk comes from our farm, it comes from our goats. And this one that I'm doing today is rosemary mint. I have rosemary, eucalyptus, and spearmint are the fragrances. It's really a beautiful scent and people really enjoy it. I have that right here, which looks, I don't know if you can see with the sun. I've got some French green clay in the bottom of it. It looks kind of yucky, but that clay will help anchor the scent into the soap. Okay, so for color, I'm going to be relying on that for the majority of the batch, and then this sludgy looking stuff, I've got a little bit of water in there, and this is basil, dandelion greens, and spinach that has been dried and powdered. It will be a really cool, pretty green when it's first cut, but then it will tone down to kind of a brownish color, so it'll have speckles and stuff. My plan is I'm going to pour off about 1/4 of the batter in here for the color. Yeah, for the color, there's going to be no fragrance in that. I'll add the fragrance with the clay into the rest of it, and then I will do probably some drop swirl, hanger swirl, that sort of thing. I will have to pour off about 5 ounces. When I do goat's milk, I don't like to add it to my lye, or the lye to that. So what I do is I do a 1-to-1. This is my lye solution with equal part of water, and then in here I do double the water amount of the goat's milk, and it's in the bottom because oil floats on water. So I will emulsify that in first. That's the goat's milk. And anyway, when I usually do my lye solution, I do a 1.5 liquid to 1 part of my lye. When I do the goat's milk, I do a 2-to-1. So this is going to have, it's about 5 more ounces of liquid. So I will go ahead and pour off 5 ounces of the total batter, and then I'll pour the rest into that. So I think I've got everything ready to go. Let's go ahead and get started.